Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Former Orlando Pirates defender Olisanda has joined Stellenbosch FC on Tuesday, the 17th of February 2026. The Nigerian international left Orlando Pirates during the January transfer window after both parties mutually agreed to terminate his contract, with Olisanda looking for regular game time. He has now joined the Cape Wineland side and he will don jersey number 99. The 28-year-old made 81 appearances for the Buccaneers, where he was a fan favorite. However, he had troubles with injuries. And during his time with Orlando Pirates, he won 3 MTNA titles and 2 Nedbank Cups. And now he will start a new chapter in the PSL under head coach Gavin Hunt at Stellenbosch FC. Remember, Olisanda joined Stellenbosch as a free agent, given that he was not connected to any club. And Olisanda has reunited with Tshegofatso Mabasa, who's on loan at Stellenbosch from Orlando Pirates. So yeah, the both of them will definitely bring valuable experience to Stellies. So let me hear your thoughts. So do you think that this is one of the best signings by Stellenbosch? And remember, they are in a relegation fight. So the experience of Olisanda will play a huge role helping Stellenbosch to avoid relegation, given that he is a very experienced player. So is this a good move for both Stellenbosch and also for Olisanda? Let me hear your thoughts regarding this move. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.